You fraudulent players. You massive frauds. I am on to you guys. I am on to you guys. Like white on rice. That is exactly how I'm looking at you guys. Each time Arsenal Twitter post something, I am on to him. Arsenal Twitter, I am on to you. Anyways, thank you very much for tuning in, and I'm quite sure that 90% of Arsenal fans are just as upset as I am. Things aren't going good. Things are definitely not going good at this point in time. And I can tell you, Arsenal fraudulent club, I'm watching you. I am watching you. Don't think you can play with my heart like that. You cannot play with my heart like that. Yep, I'm a man. I've been supporting this club for too long for you to think that you can hurt me. I work in the military. I am physically ready. And I've been supporting you for over 15 years, so I am mentally ready. Don't think you can hurt me. I am watching you. I am watching you. Anyways, thank you very much for tuning in. I had to get that out. This is my pre-game show, Arsenal versus RAPID Vienna, and you can check in the description where I did the Arsenal versus RAPID Vienna preview show with that Gooner guy. Go and check out his content. Link is in the description also to that video. Please go and check it out. A very good one. Intelligent person in regards to Arsenal. He loves the club and he knows what he's talking about. This is my predicted lineup and also my scoreline. This is the only time I enjoy watching Arsenal Football Club, because those senior players that want to bin. You guys should be bin. Strip Aubameyang of the captain and throw away some of these players. Anyways, good. Get that off my chest. You Arsenal Football Club, you're going to be the end of me, you club. Anyways, starting off, I want to go with definitely a 4-2-3-1. That is my formation, 4-2-3-1. I'm not sure if many might disagree or many might agree with my formation, also my starting lineup, because I think Arteta needs to instill the steady formation, and he has selected the 4-2-3-1, and he should keep on going with it. And either it dies by it or it builds it. Now, this is what I'm going with. If you don't agree with my starting lineup, put it in the comment. Tell me what you think should happen, or what you think the formation should be, or who you believe that our Mikel Arteta should use. No, this is my starting lineup. Right back, Ainsley, Maitland-Niles. No questions about that. Best right back in the club. Best right back in the club. Ainsley, Maitland-Niles. And since Maitland-Niles came out and said that he did an interview in our Europa League game, a pre-game interview with him, and he said something about Ozil, that we are all with him. And since then, he has not been playing as often as he should be, because the club, Mikel Arteta as well, hold on to the player and said, okay, we will keep you and play and give you game time. That is when Wolves was knocking on Arsenal Football Club door. Wolverhampton was knocking at our door because they wanted Maitland-Niles, and they've just sold the Harty, and they wanted Maitland-Niles, and Arteta decided to hold on to it, and now he's not playing him as often as he should, especially in the Premier League where it matters most. Now, as I say again, Ainsley, Maitland-Niles, right back, my right back, that is my right back, and no one can tell me anything else. He's the best right back at the club. Double centre back pairing, Pablo Mari. Ooh. This is a complicated one. I'm so afraid of Mustafi. I'm very afraid of Mustafi. Okay, Pablo Mari, Mustafi. That is my centre back pairing. I'm so sorry that Saliba is not available, because this would be a perfect opportunity for him to play. This would be a perfect opportunity for Saliba to play. Anyways, Pablo Mari, Mustafi, centre back pairing. Left back, Cedric Suarez. or we'll go with Kolasinac. I think he might be back from the COVID. I think he might be back at this point in time. El Nini is back, so why not? Why is Kolasinac not back as yet? Now, double midfield pivot. I don't want to see Xhaka in my team again. I do not want to see Granit Xhaka in my team. He take a piss against Wolverhampton, and how did I know that? When he was substituted, he was happy to come off the pitch. There's no way you're playing such an intense game and an important game and you're happy to come off the pitch. Look at his reaction. And I was displeased about that. He was quite contented and okay with coming off the pitch because he knows he's not good enough. He knows he's not good enough. So anyways, my double pivot, El Nini, Ceballos. I'll work with those two for now. And I think going forward, even in the Premier League, that is something that we have to try out. Use those two and see how we can get the best out of them. The three in front of the double pivot, on the right, my gangster, Nicolas Pepe. Cage baller, baller for life, gangster baller, turning inside out, Nicolas Pepe. Central attacking midfield era, Joe Willock. Give the young guns the go, let them go at this game. Let them have a go at this game. If not, Joe Willock alongside El Nini in the double pivot, Emile Smith-Rowe in the attacking midfield position. Let the young guns have their say. Put it in the comment if you think that Emile Smith-Rowe should get his opportunity now. On the left side, Reece Nelson, another bad boy player. That is what I'm talking about. These are the guys who are fighting for the position. These are the guys who are fighting for the cause. I am so sorry Martinelli is not available to play this game. Or is not registered to play this game. Up front, Eddie Nketiah. No more Lacazette, no more Bammen. Let's throw away those guys. Let's work with the young guns and see how best we can build with them. Eddie Nketiah up front. If we should lose with those guys, with the young guns, I would say okay, we can build on this. But if we're losing with the senior players, there's nothing to build on. There is nothing to build on when we're losing with the senior players and we have the young guns who are there needing experience. Let them fail. Let the young guns fail and learn from it. The senior players, there is nothing else for them to learn. Let the young ones fail. Eddie Nketiah up front. So I'm going through it again. In goal, Ron Arson. Right back, Ainsley Maitland-Niles, Mustafi, and Mari, centre back pairing. Left back, we go Kolasinac. If Kolasinac is not available, Cedric Suarez at left back, but we want Ainsley Maitland-Niles at right back because it's very influential to Pepe and how Pepe plays. And that is something I want to see. Midfield pairing, El Nini, Joe Willock. That is my double pivot. On the right hand side, bad boy Nicolas Pepe. Central attacking midfield, Emile Smith-Rowe. Left, Reece Nelson. Up front, Eddie Nketiah. Let the young guns go. Let them fail. Let them fail, they will learn. Let us try with these young players because they are the one who's fighting. Because they are the one who's showing heart and grit at this moment, and that is what this team needs. Anyways, that is my starting lineup. And I'm telling my prediction is Arsenal 3, Rapid Vienna 0. This is the only place where I'm scoring goals, and this is the only place where I'm winning games. So I am confident in this one. I'm sticking out my neck. I am confident on this one. Rapid Vienna 0, nil. Arsenal 3. Mikel Arteta coming away with a laugh. Arsenal fans joking around because weekend is a doom. Weekend is a doom. And that game shall be a game in which I know Mikel Arteta, there could be an X on your head for that. Be careful. Anyways, thank you very much for tuning in. Please drop a like and comment. Tell me what you think about that starting lineup, and if there's something that you would change or you believe that would be better, tell me in the comment section. Look here or here, I'm not sure the direction, I cannot get it right. You'll see a soldier. He's telling you, keep on your mask, wear your mask everywhere you go. Trust it, it works. Mikel Arteta, trust the process. Just what we can see. Anyways, military Gooner, please turn on your notification bell, subscribe, keep the bell on. I am out.